Hello guys, this video is about my journey and experiences in playing chess in D-Warp. So without keeping you waiting, please enjoy the video. Starting this journey guys, at the start of the video, I'll be playing Blitz 5 minutes. Alright, new game. Damn bro. Second game and I fail in time. Damn, third game I lost painfully bro. 3 blunders really? Alright, fourth game he resigned. Alright, good game. What's up guys? Day 2 of training before D-Warp. Let's see what happened. So update in that training guys. I pretty much got destroyed by my trainer guys. Damn. Let's go guys. Day 2 training is done. Guys, day 3 in my journey in D-Warp and chess. Now, in this day, I'll be asking random people some tips and tricks in chess so I can improve my gameplay. Do you know how to play? Yo bro! I got nice muscles right there. You built good. I do
Buddy,
build
try to
good.
push like me. You ain't like me, buddy.
You look good by the way. You look good. Hi. So guys, day 3 finished. Damn, it was a hell of a grind guys. So looking forward for day 4. See you in the next video guys. Guys, day 4 already in my preparation for D-Warp. Looking good by the way. I'm going for training right now. Say hi to the camera guys. Takra boys right here. Whoa! Guys, day 4 of training in D-Warp finished. I am looking forward again for day 5. So guys, 5th day already in our journey of training. Just finished a quick workout. Ready for training guys. Let's see you in the video. Guys, I'm playing right now with some players in my school. I got some handsome boy right here guys. Handshake, edit mo. Alright guys, this is the day before D-Warp, but what's happening to me? Alright guys, we're back. Turn me up. On my way to Lassie guys. See you in the video. Wow guys. Fresh air from Kulasi guys. Hey. Nice one guys. Hello guys, we're finally here. Thank you. There's so nice people here in Kulasi guys. Good morning. Wow guys, they're so good here. The hospitality is very good here guys. I really love the hospitality they give us guys. Right guys, home sweet home. Hey, I'm so thankful I'm surrounded by beautiful people guys. Bedroom check right now. Damn. Whoa. The best bedroom right here guys. What about this one? Oh my god guys. They got the best bedroom here. What a beautiful bed right here guys. Alright guys, we're on our way to buy some food guys. We're back. Hey. Alright guys, we're out. I'm going to buy some food guys. I'm so hungry. Hi guys. I found some beautiful people right here guys. Wow, so cute. Especially that senior high school right there. Wow guys, look at this beautiful paradise. What a beautiful design here in Kulasi guys. I'm like in heaven. Wow. A big tree right there. We're on our way guys. I'm back guys. Right now I'm here in the sea guys. Such a beautiful view in the island right there. It's taking forever guys. I searched here in Plassy all around Plassy guys. Alright guys, finally guys, we found some place to buy some food guys. Wow, very delicious. Let's go guys, done buying some food guys. Let's check out this store guys. Like, what a nice store right here guys. Wow guys, what a beautiful flowers. Going in the second floor guys. So belt right here guys. Wow. do you think, guys? Should I buy this? So guys, back in the crib. It's now lunchtime, guys. So meal check right here. I really love it. See you in the next video, guys. I'm just gonna eat lunch and go all out for today. What's up, guys? We're back in the video. Turn me up, turn me up. Wow, guys. It's so beautiful right here. Guys, passing the phone to Sampan Beautiful. Yeah! What a beautiful lights, guys. Night lights here. Damn, guys, in moments like this, guys, I really love it because as I remember, I realized that it doesn't matter if you win, if you lose. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Damn, guys, I really love you in this place, guys. What a memorable memory, guys. You know, guys, in moments like this, I really love it because right, guys, we're on our way. So guys, I really love this moment like this, guys, because in times like this, I remember the times that like the times like this, guys, I really love it because the priest said like it doesn't matter if you win, if you and you lose, guys. The important thing is you did your best and you give it your all as the best version of yourself. So the lessons you get in my video, guys, is number 1, be humble. Number 2, you can change. And number 3, don't prove to them that you're better than others, but prove to them that you as the best version of yourself. Let's go, guys. For me now, it doesn't matter for me if I win or I lose, as long as I give it my all and an enjoyable experience, guys. I really love you guys and thank you for watching my videos, guys. Back again, guys. As I was saying, just be humble and you can change yourself to be the better version of yourself. Hey. Moments like this is all because of you guys, for all the supports and likes you give to my video, guys. Really appreciate every single one of you. We're on our way, guys. What a beautiful memory, guys.
Yes.
I always cherish this.
Guys.
This is all because of you guys. Without your support, I couldn't make this far, guys. I know I'm not the best in YouTube, guys, but I really enjoy it to give videos, some entertaining videos, and to give some laughters for you guys.
Yes.
Really appreciate every single one of you. So guys, I will give it my all in this competition so I can give you guys best version of me. So guys, let's go. Hi guys, outfit check. So
Sigma.
Grabe yun, guys. Ooh, so emotional. Oh, I love it. I love it.
I love it,
I
bro.
love it. I love it. Wow, guys, let's go.
Just a city boy, born and raised in soft Detroit.
Let's go, guys. This is all because of you guys. I couldn't make it without you guys. Thank you for all the support you gave me, guys. Every one of you. Every one of you. Thank you for all the support, guys. I couldn't make it without you guys. Thank you so much. It doesn't matter to me, guys, if I win or lose. As long as I'll give you some entertaining videos and I'll give my best. Thank you so much, guys. Strangers. Nice one, guys. The program's over, guys. I'm back in the crib. Back in the crib. Wait, guys. There's my shoes too dirty, so.
Hi, vlog!
Oh no, guys.
Oh no,
my
guys.
phone got stolen by some beautiful woman. Let's go. I'm back in the crib, guys. Time to brush my teeth and go to sleep, guys. We're here, guys, in the bathroom here. It's time to brush my teeth so I can go to sleep. I absolutely love the time like this, guys. I look so good when it's nighttime, guys. Good evening. Nice one, guys. Done brushing my teeth. I said, guys, I look beautiful in nighttime, guys. Many people. Hey, time to sleep, guys. Time to fix our bed and go to sleep, guys. Hi, guys. So it's about time to go to sleep, guys. What a day, guys. I really enjoy it, guys. So I hope you enjoy too watching. See you tomorrow, guys. I'll be up like 5:30, so I need to catch some sleep good, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video that I vlog, guys. See you tomorrow.
Hello guys. Diyan. Bigat tomorrow. Mo ko si Leonard.
Hi, guys.
Mga hilaw naman mga turogren. Pagbukta naman guys, padel chudos sa tulog guys. Abangan nyo yung next vlog namin guys. Ipopost na. So gali guys, si Leonard guys. Bugta na sa guys.
Just woke up, going back to sleep again.
Ay, tulog sa liwat guys. Vlog Leonard guys. Sa vlog ni Leonard guys, shout out. Bukod sa to. Talo ako ni guys. Hi vlog.
Welcome to the after show.
Ah, dami pa. May harap guys. Ay guys, ang cute namin guys. Harap guys. Nice. Ari guys. Sa artist guys.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Tuman. Top vlog din guys. Abangan nyo yung next vlog namin.
Guys, I'm back like. Whose phone is this? Like, it's alarm out of time 3 a.m. But guys, on my way to finding that bathroom. Hi vlog. Finally seen the toilet. Oh my god, guys. Good morning, guys. We're back again. Still finding my way on to brushing my teeth. But sorry guys, I didn't start off with a good intro. But nice one, guys. We finally arrived in our destination. Oh my, I can't read, but it's a restaurant of Manok Tinuslo, guys. Here I will brush my teeth. Alright guys, feeling fresh right now. I'm really thankful for the restaurant of Manok Tinuslok, guys, for letting us use the restroom to get ourselves ready for the competition today. Good luck, athletes, and always remember, be humble and don't prove to them that you're better than others, but prove to them to be the best version of yourself. Right, guys? Good luck. What's up again, guys? We're back. Time to eat breakfast, guys. And what a beautiful meal we have. Getting ready for sports. So make sure we get our appetite full. So, guys, we're back again to play chess. But before that, I will show to you my fellow big supporters in my channel right here, guys. Let's go, guys. Chess about to start. Outfit check right now. Good luck, athletes. Let's go, let's go. Woo! Hi, guys. We're about to go in the park, guys. So let's see what's in the park, guys. Alright, guys, we're in the park. I'm just looking for food to eat, guys, here in the park. But I guess there's no people here, guys. Let's check this. What a beautiful view here, guys. You can see all the basketball court right here. Full of energy, guys. We found some food, guys. Let's go. Hi, kids. Are you a fan of mine? Because if you're my fans, I will buy you any food you want.
Yes, I'm your fan. I follow you in your Facebook light, green light, red light.
So this channel will be some bok choy tasting channel. I will try to rate all the bok choyans here from 1 to 10. So starting this series, guys, I will first try this bok choy in Kulasi, guys. And I will rate it 1 out of 10, guys. So guys, it's very sweet and very unique flavor to it, guys. Like of all the bok choys I've tasted, it's this one stand out the most. Like it really has a unique taste. So this bok choy, I will rate this bok choy for me like 8.5 out of 10, guys. Well, there's no such thing as a 10 out of 10, guys, so I will rate it 8.5 out of 10. Near to perfect. Special thanks to this restaurant for giving me this amazing bok choy, guys. Good evening, guys. So it's time for me to go to sleep now. So if you made it this far of watching the video, I'm really thankful, guys. If you made it this far,
Shout me out.
shout out to the champions.
Shout out to my mother.
Ladies and gentlemen, shout out to you and to you, my dear father.
Thank you so much, guys. If you made it this far of watching the video, see you tomorrow, guys. Guys, the competition is finished. I think you're still wondering what's my score. To be honest, guys, I don't care too much about my score, guys, because it's my first time in DWARP. I don't expect too much, but I was amazed by my score, guys. So, guys, my score is in Blitz 2 wins and 2 lose, and in Classic 2 wins and 2 lose. So I didn't expect that much, guys, but it was a wonderful experience. Just like I said, guys, it doesn't matter if you win or you lose, as long as you prove to them the best you can do. Because unlike before, guys, I joined the competition and my score is 1 win and 4 lose, but right now I pretty much got improved and proved to them that I can do better. So guys, thank you for enjoying the video. I'll see you later, guys.
Time to love me like I want to, baby. Time to tonight go crazy.
Make some noise!
Time to love me like I want you, baby. Don't you leave me like I need your love. Stay tomorrow and tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just leave me. I got
morning, people. My competition in D-Warp is officially finished. Let's go. Already packed my stuff here, guys. On my way home, and see you in the car. Guys, I'm on my way back home, and if you finish watching this video, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate it. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.
Perfect. 1, 2, 3, go!
Right, guys, we're back. Turn